Hi dear student, we have completed part 1, part 2. Now we are discussing about part 3. So that is potential different and electromotive force. According to define the definition of potential different, work done by the electric force on unit positive charge to move it through a distance L is called potential different. So what is that? The work done by the electric force. So how much charge on unit positive charge to move it through a distance L. Before going to, we are discussing about, for example, if you water flows through a pipe higher level to lower level, the water can flow very easily. And if you temperature means if you heat flows high temperature to low temperature, if you air flows high pressure to low pressure, if you current flows high potential to low potential. So that is our concept potential different. According to potential different, we know this. So it is one metal. So as you know, metals like a iron, copper, aluminium or silver, whatever it means. So copper, it is a metal. Metal like it is a one conductor. So conductor like a metal. It is containing a large number of free electrons while positive ions are fixed in their location. Okay. So here. So what about electrons, negative charge? For example, it is one conductor. Okay, so here it is one conductor. So conductor like a metal, as you know. So here the large number of charges. So it is a large number of charges. Okay, so here low charges, but here high charges, here low charges. So according to it is maybe one is positive ion or negative ion, another one is negative ion, one is maybe positive ion, another one is negative ion. So what will do? This charge, the electric force on unit positive charge move from it is one point to it is another point, move certain distance. The distance is how much? The distance is L distance. Okay, so that is known as potential different. So the always, if you current is flows very fluently, that is high potential to low potential according to here. If you water flows higher level to lower level, if you heat flows high temperature to low temperature, if you air flows high pressure to low pressure, but according to current flows high potential to low potential. So it is on unit charge to move through a distance L is called potential different. So here we know this, that is a V is equal to VBA. So potential different we are represented V letter. So VBA means, is it how different? Yes. So here so many of charges are here. Here's less charges we have. For example, here 10 charges, here 5 charges. Is it how in difference? Yes. V A minus B. Okay. Or for example, so here V B minus V A. So we are assuming B or A, whatever it may be. Okay. So according to, we are writing, so according to definition, W by Q. So what is that? Work done by the electric force. So what is that? Work done by the electric force. Q means on unit positive charge. Q is represented on positive charge. So is through a distance. Through a distance means from one point to another point. That is called potential difference. So as you know, W work done formula F into L. Okay. So according to W is equal to F into S. S instead of we are writing, S is nothing but displacement. So L also same. This divided by Q is similarly as well as. So one see here V is nothing but. So potential different we are measured in volt. Okay. Volt is equal to, so here work is measured in joule. Charge we are measured coulombs. As you know, so volt is equal to joule for coulomb. So according to here definition of volt, the work done by the electric force on Coulomb charge. So Q means Coulomb charge. So work done means how much work done? 1 joule. The work done by the 1 joule force, electric force on unit positive charge. How much coulombs? 1 coulomb. Move it to a distance L is called volt simply. So we know this, the measurement of volt or potential different, that is voltmeter. So what that is? Voltmeter. Next going to explain about electromotive force. Simply, as you know, the work done by the chemical force to move positive charge from negative terminal to negative terminal of positive terminal of the battery is called simply electromotive force. So here, so what is that? It is one battery. Okay, it is battery connected with one bulb. Okay, so it is okay. Here the electrons are, when it is the switch will be on, that is closed circuit, as you know. So in this closed circuit, electron travels positive terminal to negative terminal of the battery. So it will have particular direction. So here the electron, the battery is which charge we have, that is the chemical energy. So that is chemical energy it consisting. Okay, so here the work done by the chemical force, to move unit positive charge from negative terminal to the positive terminal of the battery is called electromotive force. So electromotive force we are represented EMF. Okay, EMF, electromotive force. Electromotive force is equal to E is we are represented, that is the same formula of W by Q. So there we are represented F into L. Same here also, F into D is divided by Q. Okay, F into D or L, whatever it may be, Q is F into D is or L is divided by Q. So what is the measurement of electromotive force? That is volt. Okay, so we are measuring voltmeter. Okay, so what is that electromotive force? Work done by the chemical force to move the positive charge from negative terminal to the positive terminal of the battery is called electromotive force. Okay, if you like this video, share and subscribe, don't forget.